Hello, in front of me I've got Marathon. In this video I'll show you how to manage equipment. To manage equipment in Marathon, let's go to Vault, and here we've got our equipment we are using and our backpack. In Vault we can find all items we found in previous games. Now, we can use shield charges, ammunition, grenades and more. Simply select it to push it to the backpack. If you want to hide it in Vault, press Ctrl and move it to Vault. Always make sure you've got ammunition before going to right. Next, we've got assault rifles and secondary weapons. In equipment you can find shield, grenades, cores and implants. We can buy them or found them in the game. Next we can also improve our weapon. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.